Hello, mathematicians. Today we will be discussing the difference between rational and irrational numbers. I will also be showing how number classification works. Please make sure to write the vocabulary and definitions, not just the information on the screen. The real numbers include every possible number except for a set of numbers called the imaginary numbers, which are not our focus today. We can split the real number system into smaller sets of numbers, and each set has its own unique name. Let's start with the set of natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers you learned first, probably before you started kindergarten. The symbol for the set of natural numbers is capital N. The natural number set includes all of the counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., and numbers like square root 4. Because the square root of 4 is 2, and 2 is a natural number, square root 4 gets to count as a natural number. Our next set is the whole numbers, denoted with a W. The whole number set includes the natural numbers plus the number 0. Even the picture shows that the natural numbers rectangle is inside the whole numbers rectangle, and 0 is in the whole numbers, but not the natural numbers. The set of integers is next. The set of integers is so important that they use the letter Z from the word Zahl in German, which means number. The integer set includes the whole number set, and therefore the natural number set. It also includes bonus numbers, the negative whole numbers. So integers are basically all whole numbers and can be positive, negative, or 0. Rational numbers, denoted Q for quotient, are the set of numbers that include integers, fractions, terminating decimals, and repeating decimals. So numbers like 1/2 and 2/3 are rational. 1/2 as a decimal is 0.5, which is a terminating decimal, and is also a rational number. 2/3 is a repeating decimal and will be 0.666666 and goes forever, making it a rational number. The only numbers that are not rational are non-repeating decimals. These numbers are called irrational numbers, denoted by Q bar. The non-perfect square roots are also in this section, because if you put it in a calculator, it will be a non-repeating decimal. So just remember that irrational numbers are numbers that don't make sense. They don't repeat, they never stop. They are the crazy numbers, like pi. Here are a few practice problems. 8 is natural, whole, and integer, and a rational number because it is inside the natural numbers box, and that box is inside all of those other boxes. 0.123862 ... is an irrational number because it is weird and it has no pattern. So we write Q bar. 5/9 is a fraction, and therefore it is a rational number. It does not fit in any of the other boxes because it is not a whole number. -7 is an integer because it is a negative whole number. It is also a rational number because the integers box is inside the rational box. 0.3 is a rational number because it is a terminating decimal. 0.12121212 repeating is a repeating decimal, and so it is rational. So we write Q. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow.